All right, good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to JJ Shop. Today we're back on the 2002. Is it 2002? It's 2002, right, Jeffrey? 2002 C240 Mercedes.
Something like that.
I think it's 2002. Pretty sure it's 2000. Yeah, it's pretty.
Yep.
Yeah, 2002. Okay. So today we're going to take a look at the fuel pump in that car. Very, very, very well placed. Thank you, Mercedes. It's right underneath the back seat. So we need to remove the back seat, make sure we got power to the fuel pump, make sure that if we do have power to the fuel pump, we do have a fuel pump. And I don't think we do. I really don't think we do, Jeffrey. Anyway, that's where we're at. What do you say we get after it?
Yeah, let's get after it.
Get her done. We got any critters in here, you think, Jeffrey?
I hope not.
I hope not either. Been a little while since we've been in here.
That's for sure.
I don't see anything. Smells like it did before.
Maybe.
It does. Which is not. It's not really terrible.
Right?
Oh yeah, we got no battery hooked up. We can't move seats forward.
Nope.
Is there a way to, you know what?
Yep.
Let's put these in the back for now. Let's put these in the trunk. Oh,
Can't open the trunk.
can't open the trunk either. Can't do anything until we get power. Is that right, Jeffrey?
Yep.
All righty. Well, let's get the hood popped open. Did we show this on the last video? How you extend the hood?
I think so.
Did we show that?
I think so.
All right, just in case we didn't.
This
Mercedes has a deal right here. So this little red button here.
red button that says press.
Yeah. You press that. You roll this all the way up. That red button comes in there.
Boom.
And your hood is straight up. You could
It's like a Jeep.
Yeah. You could change the motor on this car.
That's for sure. You
Right
got
here.
all the clearance.
Yeah. We have all the. We left tools out here, Jeffrey. We left
Well,
this. We left that.
Apparently.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I told you about the hood. Yeah, I showed you the hood latch thing that we're gonna. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to take a look and make sure that is that. And I'm pretty sure that is that. Anyway.
Anywho's.
Yeah, that's not where we're at. Right now, we're here. We're here. This is that plug that we were talking about earlier that we have no idea. It goes to something, Jeffrey. They had it taped somewhere. They had
So
this.
if any of you know what that is, leave a comment down below.
Yeah, we'd like to know. What is that? Where does that go? What does that go to? Does it go up here somewhere? Does it go down here?
It's in the
Somewhere?
battery area. So
It is in the back. Well, it was actually down here on the firewall.
battery cubby area.
Yeah, it was down here in the firewall.
Yep.
It was down here in the firewall. Down here. So it was down here like this. Does that go up here somewhere?
I don't know.
Is that our windshield wiper? Ooh, Jeffrey, is that our windshield wiper motor plug?
Maybe.
Is that what that is? I see a windshield wiper motor right here.
It could be.
Is
Maybe.
that a windshield wiper motor plug? Did I just find where that plug goes, Jeffrey?
Well,
Did
I
I?
mean,
I'm just wondering, did I? Did I?
You could have.
I may have. We don't know right now. We're not working on that.
No, so
No.
why are you doing it?
I don't know.
Let's get back to what we were doing.
Let's get back to what we were doing.
Come on now.
Move the seat forward. I thought, didn't we clean this thing out?
We
I
did.
thought we cleaned this thing. We did?
Sure?
Doesn't look like it.
No.
We didn't.
No.
How's this?
Not yet.
How's this go? Oh, this goes forward like this. Oh,
I
look at
guess
that.
It didn't need the battery.
So we have some adjustments here, but we have other adjustments there. See that?
Yep.
Yeah, our grease is out here. I know, right? Okay, pop the hood, or pop the trunk. There we go.
There you go. No critters?
No.
No? Okay,
No,
good.
still smells like the mouse house, only because we removed the mouse house. It's right there. That's as far as we got with it. I did go over that with the mower a couple times.
Well,
Yeah, and it went
maybe 1 or 2 more times.
maybe 1 or 2 more times, and we'll have that mouse house completely gone.
Yep.
All right, let's put that there.
Don't forget you put that there.
Right. Right. When are we gonna clean this thing? I thought we cleaned it already.
We should do it soon.
We should.
Oh, what if the...
Why is this seat
Do you
back?
have the little crank on that side?
I do.
I think that might be it. Maybe.
No, that
No?
puts the butt up and down. So,
Well, you might just have to work with it.
all right. Yeah, why did that go? Why? I don't
Well,
know. Doesn't matter.
I don't know.
Doesn't matter.
Nope.
Oh, Jeffrey,
Yep.
got a quarter.
Yep.
Making our money back. Look at that.
That's for
putting
sure.
that in my pocket right there. I'll share that with you later. I promise. All right, what do we got here? We got,
We have, what, 4 bolts?
yeah, these little covers come off.
Maybe 12? Maybe.
Ooh, maybe. We got 4, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
2 on each side.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Okay.
Let's see what we got.
Yep.
You say 12?
I think so.
You say 12?
Yep.
All right. I'm going to go with you on that.
Yep.
What does it do? I'm going to go with you on that. Oh,
Is
nope.
it? No?
Nope.
Bigger?
Is it 14? Everything's, or is it 13?
Smaller? What?
13.
Oh,
Look at that.
one size bigger. That's odd.
Yeah, so 13 is
That's an odd.
equivalent to, I think, what, ½ inch in
Maybe.
SAE, I think. That's why most metric sets, I don't even think have some. Well, in the beginning they didn't. I don't even think they had 13 because it was like the same size as half or close enough to half or something. I think. You know what? Now I'm curious.
What?
I want to know.
Get a ½ inch on there?
½ inch.
Yep.
That's what we were talking about here. That's a ½ inch. That's 13.
Yep.
They are pretty much the same size. Anyway, okay.
Yep.
Yeah. That was just a little fun fact there. Wasn't that fun?
Sure.
Another fun fact. Doesn't matter what car you have or you're working on, there is always plastic parts laying around inside of them.
That
You have no idea where they go.
somewhere.
They go
Maybe.
somewhere. Have no idea where they go. They fall off the seat track. Nobody knows where they go. Nobody. Did we ever clean underneath that seat, Jeffrey? That you said was scary? The one I pulled forward?
No, not yet.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
no.
That you remind that.
Nope.
Yep, you're
Nope.
right. I got you.
Not yet. We haven't cleaned the car yet.
No,
We should.
we should.
I don't
Hey,
know
you
why
know
we
what?
haven't.
That might be another video, right?
No.
Huh?
Yep.
Do a little
Clean the inside,
little
clean the
detail on this thing?
outside.
Whoa, that one's all there.
I think people like those videos.
That one's all there. I like watching them.
I do too.
I think this carpet will come around.
It might. Need some
Somebody needs to help us out with detail products. You have some.
I have some.
Yeah. Where'd you get those from?
Somewhere, I can't remember.
It doesn't look like anybody smoked in here, man.
Doesn't smell like
Doesn't smell like anybody smoked in here. There's a little bit of mold growing out of the seat there. So again, I think this will clean up. I think it'll clean up nicely, Jeffrey.
it. Yep.
That was funny that you reminded me why you just pointed and reminded me why we haven't
Oh.
why we haven't cleaned out underneath that seat.
Uh-huh.
Is that maybe for one of those cordless vape cigarettes?
I
thing?
don't know.
Maybe.
I wouldn't know.
I don't know. I don't know either.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, is there something else?
Well, I don't think so.
Oh, yeah, I'll pull it out straight.
What? How we do that?
That's a good question. Oh, I think I got it.
Did you? Oh, yeah.
Yep.
There you go. Okay.
Thank you, Mercedes.
Oh, man.
Here, we can
Pay
put it
dirt.
my way.
We got more money here, Jeffrey.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. Sure.
Yeah. We are getting our money back.
Apparently.
Look at that.
I don't know where that came from.
We got some speeders
Oh,
and spiders that went up there.
you know, it'd be a good idea
What's that?
if we get some gloves on. That would be a good idea.
Did you find something?
Gloves? I don't know.
Oh, yeah, we should get gloves on, though. That's really not a bad idea.
You know,
Not a bad idea at all.
yeah, we should get our gloves on.
Probably should.
Yep.
All right.
We'll
I thought
We'll be back.
There was a moment of silence right there. I thought, okay,
Okay, now we're back with some gloves on.
we are back with some gloves on. We got some gloves on. I
You
believe
gotta protect yourself.
that I could have swore the videos that I was watching that the fuel pump was over there. But I will say that with the wires and everything coming in right here, Jeffrey, right here, I'm willing to bet
Maybe.
our fuel pump is here.
Maybe.
That's my bet. That's my bet. Oh, you know it's not a 10. Come on, Wayne.
Come on now.
Come on now. Nope. What the heck size is it? 8. That's an 8. That's an 8, Jeffrey. Why are we once again
Using hand tools?
exactly?
Well, because we had it near us.
What are we doing? Why?
Well,
Well,
so we're removing 6. What size are they? 8 millimeters?
8. 8 millimeter. We're putting them down on the floor with the seat bolts, but they don't fall down in here. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea to vacuum this out first, but we're okay around the cover here right now. It's not
Too dirty?
Yeah, it's not terrible, all right?
Yep.
It's not, did you say I found a pencil sharpener over there, Jeffrey?
Oh,
Yeah, I found a treasure over there. It's on the floor. It's on the
Yeah.
floor. Pencil sharpener. Yeah. How do you feel about that?
Huh.
Huh?
Pencil sharpener. Sure.
Did you guys still have those in school? Did you still have those? Did you even need those in school? Did you have a pencil sharpener?
Of course.
Did you?
Yep.
All right, that's good.
Who doesn't?
All right. I thought everybody by then had mechanical pencils, or maybe didn't even have pencils.
I mean,
Everything was done on the computer or the phone, right?
I mean, I'm not that young.
Okay. You're right. You're not.
We still had stuff on the
They still
paper.
they still have some stuff on paper.
No, yeah.
All right, here's one for you. Can you read cursive?
It depends.
Can you read and write cursive? It's almost like asking somebody today.
Well,
if
everyone
they
has their own handwriting. So if it's like a
Well,
family member, you
right. There we go.
you usually can make out your family member's writing.
Well, that's true. That is true.
So,
Yeah. All right, Jeffrey.
well, I think you were right. That's the fuel pump
That is definitely the fuel pump.
assembly.
So, let's unplug it here
Yeah.
and see if we got any power back here. For starters.
Yeah, that's a good start.
And well,
Maybe.
now that it's actually open here, should we turn the key on and see if we actually have a pump running?
Maybe.
Would that be all right?
Sure.
I think that this one's going to be the sending unit here, I believe.
Maybe.
Yeah. 2 wires, 3 wires? Is it 3 wires or 3 wire? Oh,
Yeah, there's 3.
yeah.
Yep.
So that's going to be the sending unit. Telling the,
You got 3 wires here and 4 wires here.
yeah. And these are larger wires for carrying. So I got a large wire here for carrying power. Yeah. All righty. Let's turn the key, Jeffrey, and see if we got a pump running.
Yep.
What's that? What's that? What is that? What's that?
I don't know. You should go get the key.
Did you see? All right. It is. It is an O2, Jeffrey.
Yep.
O2. C240.
Yep.
All right. Oop. All right. If anything, oh boy, I forgot I put the seat forward. That's a long ways forward. He's not looking.
Nope.
All right, you ready?
Bring us under.
Why, Jeffrey, I didn't hear anything.
Me neither. I think I know what's wrong.
Should we try it again?
Sure. Nothing.
Nothing.
Nada. I hear nothing.
Nothing.
Huh.
Guess what?
I think I know what our problem.
That could definitely be part of it. For sure.
Yep.
Well, do we have power going back there?
Well,
That's something we're going to have to check now.
did you grab the thing?
Oh, I should have done that while I was in there.
That would have been smart.
I should have done that.
I guess you're walking a lot now.
That's true. Well, it's not like I couldn't use to
Well,
lose a few pounds. What do you think?
it's not a bad idea.
Hey,
Hey.
it's the point where you argue with me.
All right. Be right back.
Okay. Where are we gonna ground this to? Right there, maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe right there. I don't really see a good clean ground back here. I don't. Okay. DC volts. Okay. So we shouldn't have any volts back here anywhere
See if
right
this
now.
works.
Nope, nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. And nothing there. I think that's gonna work. Okay. Well, let's turn the key on.
See if we got anything.
Yep. Probably won't.
Well, we want volts.
What we want. but it's not working.
If we
though.
don't find any volts back there, then we can't say that it's the pump.
Yeah.
Say that we don't have any power going to the pump, but we heard a relay out here. All right, grounded?
Yep.
Are you grounded?
Yeah.
Oh, how many? All right, go ahead, just hold it. Okay. How many volts do we have on that battery right now?
I don't know. That's a good idea. We should probably check that.
Right? I mean, we do. So, are you holding the ground again?
Yeah.
I mean, we definitely have something going on here right now.
But is it enough? Probably not.
I don't know. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Or do we even have a good ground? We don't know.
That's
We don't know.
well,
Maybe that bolt.
maybe.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Well, I'd like to see that thing settle down on 0 somewhere. That sure settled down on 0, didn't it? What do we got going on there? Got nothing there. I think that may be our ground. That may be our ground.
Who knows?
Okay, well, let's go out and see what we got for voltage on the battery here.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, I'm not sure what we should have for voltage back here.
And maybe I'm wrong. Maybe that's the... I don't think that's the gauge. I think that's going to be the... Yeah, let's see. Let's see what we got for voltage on the battery.
That's a good idea.
$10.47. Okay.
Sure.
So let's turn the key off
Yep.
and turn it back on. Is that the gauge? You want to hold the ground there?
Sure, I'll hold it.
Thank you. I don't think I can get in there on that one. Can I get in from the backside maybe? I don't really know. So I'm going to say this is the
This is the gauge. This is the pump right here. That's what I'm going to say. Let's see. Let's see if I want to get our continuity tester.
Alrighty, yeah, thank you again for another fun-filled episode here at JJ Shop. Thank you for joining us again. We're out of time for today. So if you wouldn't mind, please hit the like and subscribe button. Share the video with friends, if you will. And then, of course, leave us a comment. What you liked about the video, what you didn't like about the video. And thanks again for joining us.